Yo, man, I don't know what fucking beef finna come on, bruh. But it been so much bullshit today, man. I'm gonna tell a motherfucker story. And just like this, bruh, it's glory. I don't give a fuck, it's my story. It's Teddy Dixon, man, a dog, man, I'm going off of real. At the same time, man, my people, man, they fucked up for real. I done tried to reach them everything, man, that they done tried to touch. Man, they tried to destroy a nigga, man, but get what? I've been touched. It's all good, man. Y'all can hate, man, and do whatever. I'ma still love y'all anyway, man, cause guess what? I'm a rebel. I'm not a devil, man. Y'all don't wanna fuck with me when y'all having babies and shit. How the fuck you walk me out the room when you finna have a baby real quick? Man, I'm trying to give you a blessing. You turn me away, but it's a dog in me. See, I ain't worried about it, man. I ain't mad, and I'm still gonna pray for you, G. It is what it is, bro. It's gonna be on YouTube, man. My heart is cold, but at the same time, man, my heart not cold, bro. It's just in my soul. And see, man, I hope my sister have a good little baby. I hope she have everything she want, man, and everybody getting lazy. Man, I hope my auntie them, man, and they forgive what I done did to them. But people done stole from me and took shit, man. I don't understand this shit. But at the same time, bro, I understand it, bro, because the way of the world. Man, I can't rap on these beats because, man, they slow and they real curl. But I ain't talking about nobody but body. That's what I am, bro. Shit. I'm just with myself now, bro. Everybody turn against me, man. Fuck it, man. It is what it is. That part of our ad lib, man, ain't gonna stop it, man. I got too many tears. Man, I'm just finna do it for my cousin Tucker, man. He told me to do it. Man, that man the only man that gave me some money, man. That's fucked up and influent. I'm just saying, man, Tucker be going hard, man. And you need to respect him. Inspector, he a gangster, man, but he ain't no prankster. Man, it's something like a wankster. But at the same time, bruh, that nigga go real hard, cuz. Tucker, man, stand up, bruh. Throw your forks in the air, cuz. I don't even gang bang, bruh. But at the same time, he a ganger. He a banger, man. He a slanger. But at the same time, he a fanger. You know what I'm saying? Not a drug dealer, but he a real thug nigga. Man, Tuck, man, I love you, bruh. Keep being the same old nigga. Man, I'ma fuck with you when I get big. At the same time, I'm getting weight. At the same time, like a snake. Man, I'm finna fucking drink. Man, these people, they can hate all they want. Man, I'ma pass right by their ass while I stump, man, go where I go. Man, I'ma do it like a fucking show. Man, I don't even smoke no weed no more. Cause the people told me not to go no more. But at the same time, bruh, I'ma do what the fuck I wanna do. Cause it's my fucking world, dog. And I'ma ball with the fucking mall. Soon as the motherfucker see me, bruh, they gonna come around, dog. Man, Tucker, you gonna have a diamond chain. Man, you gonna have a lot of diamond thing. Man, people gonna look up to you, dog. Cause you a motherfucking king, man. I did beat by the run out on them. At the same time, bro, I'm a hummer. At the same time, I'm drama. Baby.